welcome back. As you can see, or maybe not see by the glaring sun, we're on a river. And it's pretty dire. The water is so low, so low. We've had a good few weeks of rain, but absolutely no movement on this river level. I got fed up of waiting, so I thought, sod it, I've just got to get out and give it a go. One rod, maggot feeder. I've been in this swim before. Let's just hope for a mixed bag of anything. I've had little chub, roach, dace and bream out of here, so anything would be nice. See this snake? Hopefully you saw that snake just swimming across there. Don't know where he's gone now. Hopefully he doesn't come up behind me. Well, it's certainly proving pretty dire. I've had a few taps and knocks, but very little. Sun came right down and was shining in my face. Got glasses out. Realised I've broken my glasses somehow in the bag, so I'm going to need to do a patch repair on them. But it's not good. It's not good at all. Oh, he says, just as something happens. It's always the way. Start picking up the camera, start eating, start doing something, and you know the rod's getting off. But anyway, I'm going to probably only stick around for another half hour if it's really dire. And if anything happens, that'd be a bonus. Let's wait and see. Well, I just had a really nice meeting with a chap who comes from Brighton, who he said he watches a few of my videos, so thank you very much for watching them, guys. And I'm really sorry I didn't catch your name, so I can't give you a shout out, but if you're the chap from Brighton that I saw down the river, yeah, I hope you had a good session, and I really hope I get something out of this session as well. Well, I'm going to call it viewer's luck, because I've just met that chap, and I've just had a very small little roach. So thank you very much, chap from Brighton. Save the blank, and I hope you have a good session down in Coltershore, if that's where you were going to go. But it gives me hope to hang on for a little bit more. So, little roach. Oh yeah. Well, it's starting to get a little bit chilly now. Sun's gone behind this big old cloud. As much as it's been nice, been out for a couple of hours, had that little roach. Highlight was definitely meeting chap from Brighton. I'm really sorry I didn't get your name. It's always in the moment, I'm just like, hey, yeah, someone who recognises me. Thank you for coming over and saying hi, and I really hope your session went well at Coltershore, if that's where you ended up. Probably going to leave the footage here. I'm going to dig through the computer. I know I've got some clips from a session I did up the river, actually at Coltershore last summer, so I'm going to roll those clips, and hope you all enjoy the few fish I caught then. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Bye. First of the session, look, little chub, big old mouth on him. But yeah, great to see. Just trying to float down through here. Bit of mashed bread. Absolute cracking. Off to a good start. And I'm barely 50 yards on from the 50 yards on from the mill. So let's get this one back, shall we? So as you can see, I just got some mashed bread, over wetted, and then just with some bran to sort of stiffen it up a bit, using just dead maggots that I've had defrosted a couple of times over. Three of them on that size 16, I think this one is. So let's get a bit more of this bread. Drop you. Bit further out. Just trying to keep direct contact with that float, knowing when to drop the line. It looks like it's going the other way. There you go. Just mend that line so it's coming off the reel nice and easily. Must have been about here I had to pick up. There you go. And again, oh, bit of a better fish this one. Oh, he just dropped it. There's definitely something down there then. Where's that bucket? Oh, get some more slop in there. I'm going to get some more ground bait just in there. That's what we come down river fishing for. That's a dace, I think. So, lovely little dace just had out the river there. He's kicking and screaming because he's a little wild fish. Way to tell the difference between a chub and a dace, because you can get chub this size. Chub's anal fin is convex, whereas a dace's anal fin, if you can see that there, is concave. So that's, as you can, if you can see that there, that's concave. So that shows you the difference between a chub and a dace. Let's get this one back because he's really kicking. So I think that shows we've got to get some more bait in this water. So I've had a couple of little dates out of here now, and I've noticed that they are responding well to the bread going through, followed up with these maggots. So I'm finding they're moving a little bit further and further out, as well as downstream, which is understandable, because more feed goes through, it will push them further downstream. But if I can judge for it, then we're all good, aren't we? Let's get going. Probably the nicest perch I've ever had out of here. Look at this one. Really nice perch. Keeping him there with his fin up. Absolute cracking. Beautiful little day down the river. Right, I had another half a dozen trots and I had another hook pull on a snag on the bottom. So I'm going to re-rig this up and then I'm going to carry on, because there's a lot more river to explore and I can't just get bogged down in this second swim. So I'm going to get a new hook on here and then we're going to get on down the river. Just found this lovely little spot. I've just caught this little chub here. I don't know if you can see it on this side. See, he's got like some little black spots on his tail. I don't know if you can see that in the light there. Little black spots on his tail and some little black spots on his gills on this side. Try and get him in the light. What do you think that is? Might just be able to see it here, right down here. It's got little black spots. I don't remember seeing chub with little black spots before. Is that a little sort of, not disease, but maybe something that they pick up? Or maybe all little chub have black spots. I've not seen it before. But yeah, it's a lovely little swim, this here. No, I've had a great deal, but just in the far margin. And, had some little fish, so get some more slop over. Oh, he's the slightly better one. He's a slightly better one. I think it's on perch. Ugh. Another perch. There's another perch. There we go. Finally got him undone. You know what these little guys are like. Absolute nightmare for taking the hook right down. But great fish to have. Let's get him straight back. Well, absolutely idyllic settings, but it's just really way too hot. We've been walking up and down these fields, poking my head in little swims. Not really many good trotting swims, but yeah, it's about 4:30 now, so I'm going to double back to the mill pond, to the weir pool. I might try that first swim that I found some fish in, and see if anything's still in there. Use up the rest of this mash bread. But absolute glorious day to be out and about, but of course we all know it's not the best for fishing. But it's been a bloody good session though. I had like 3 or 4 small chub, a couple of nice sized perch, and yeah, a few days thrown in here and there. But anyway, I'm going to go back to the weir pool and I'll see if there's anything back there. Right, I've just come back to this little swim for the last sort of half hour. Use up the rest of my nuggets and a bit of bread. Just chuck some in, and then we'll I'm gonna have a sip. Just chuck some in, let that float through, and see if there are any fish down the bottom of this peg again. It's been a lovely day for it though.